Big steep hill here. On our way down to fish a new river. See if we don't fall. Beautiful. At the mouth of this big river. Never fished it before. See if we can't catch nothing.
Yeah.
The world's largest freshwater lake. Gitchagumi. How glorious she is.
Oh, oh, big fish. Big fish. What do we got?
Morgan appears to be hooked up. I just threw my spinner off. Having to retie right now. What have you got?
Oh, I have no idea.
Doesn't even know what he's got.
Oh, 6-pound strand, don't let me down. I think it's a northern.
I mean, that might not be big enough. Yeah, and that's not big enough.
Oh my God.
Nice pike, buddy.
Nice looking pike here. Got him on the spinner. And let him go. Oh my gosh.
Work,
yes. Buddy. Holy smokes.
Awesome. Didn't get skunked. What? Okay. Ooh, I just had a trout chase, Morgan. I think. I'm pretty sure. I think I had a trout chase. I think.
Holy smokes, that's a big fish. It is just fighting like mad too. Oh my gosh. That's a big brook trout, dude.
Morgan's hooked up with a nice brookie, perhaps.
Oh my God. There we go.
Wow, nice brook trout.
He's big. Nice looking brookie here. Got him on the worm. Get him back. Wow.
Awesome, man.
Yes, sir. Holy smokes. Yeah, well, I definitely thought it was a sucker, but the way it fought, I've never had a brook trout fight that hard. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh, it's a stick. Never mind.
Oh, stickfish.
Stickfish.
Lots of skeeters on me. Yep, cast up there where some fish were active and hooked this largemouth. We were hoping it was trout, but hey, I'll take it. Beautiful fish. Nice fight. Get her on hooked. Caught it right on the beef coon. Morgan Green's Fishing Lures. Very, very good lures. There we go. Unhooked just like that. Nice little bass. Get her back. A little bit of skeeters out here.
I like the blood from my rig.
Got another spot on this little creek. Gonna see if we can't get some more trout here. The water's fairly cool. Caught a brookie at the last spot. See if we can replicate that.
Oh, here's something, Dustin. Oh yeah, good one. Brook trout. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Wow.
Beauty. That could be the one I saw just a second ago.
He's a tank. Right, dude. Nice looking brook trout. Let's get them back. Yes, sir. Oh man.
Yep. Oh. Yeah, it's a brookie.
Another one right here.
Really, a brookie?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, good.
Yeah. Nope, caught this last brook trout here. We gotta go. Time's running out. My phone's out of storage, but here it is. Beautiful little fish. Let it go.